Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Don Kitchen, and today we are making Goa's most popular prawn balchao. Everybody love this. So let's begin with the recipe. Prawn 100 grams, you can take as much you want. Half a teaspoon turmeric, salt, mix well and marinate. Marinate as much you can. I'm marinating for 1 hour, so I'm going to use cooking now. This is red chili. Take any kind of red chili. Normally we use Kashmiri chili and soak in a coconut vinegar. Do not use any other vinegar. We use Goan vinegar. If you're living out of India, it's very difficult to get Goan vinegar. So the second option is a coconut vinegar is the right option. Put something on top of the chili so it can soak. You can dip in a vinegar and soak nice. These are shallots. If you can't find shallots, use red onion, around 2 onions, fine chop. This is whole turmeric, whole cinnamon stick, clove, black peppercorn, cumin seed, and roast them on a slow flame. Do not over roast, you're going to lose the taste. So let it cool down. So let's pound ginger and garlic. Garlic around 35 grams. Cinnamon stick and turmeric, whole turmeric. The reason why I do this, so I won't damage my mixer. So it's been 4 hours now soaking in a vinegar, coconut vinegar. It's still crunchy. I would suggest if you soak for at least 12 hours overnight, it will be more soft and you get a more fine paste. And we're going to use the same vinegar. Add all the spices. This is pound ginger, garlic, turmeric, cinnamon stick. And now we're going to blaze it. You're going to get nice and smooth paste if you soak overnight. Our paste is ready now and smell so nice. Fine paste is ready. In a pan, oil, shallots, sweat it off, chop done. Once the shallot is sweat, add a paste, masala paste, and cook it for 10 minutes on slow flame. Smell so beautiful. As you can see, the colors are changing now. There are two options. One, you can pan fry your prawns first. And the second option, what I'm doing right now, adding prawns straight in the sauce. And cook at least for 10 minutes. The more you're going to cook your food slow, the more interesting taste you're going to get. There you go. This is for the garnish. If you have a guest coming home, you can present them in a nice way. Seal the prawn both the sides on top of the plate. Job done. Our beautiful prawn balchao is ready to go. Hopefully you're gonna like it. If you like the recipe, hit the subscribe button and share with your friends and family. Stay tuned. I'll see you later.